Hi, today we are making salted egg yolks. Salted eggs are famous among the Chinese and other Southeast Asian cuisine like Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines and others. I've done several types of making salted egg and salted egg yolks, and today we're going to brine it with salt solution as well as some aromatics, which are some spices. So let's go and see what spices that I'm using. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee of Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. Right, salted egg, here we go. For every liter of water, use 360 grams of raw salt or sea salt, not table salt. 2 tablespoons of Sichuan pepper, 2 to 3 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick crushed and bring to the boil. Add in 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing wine. It is believed that all these things will make the yolk redder. Stir until all the salt is dissolved. It is okay if you have some undissolved salt because we want to make a saturated solution. Notice this salt spray. Remember to wipe your countertop and metallic equipment so it doesn't rust. I'm sure you're wondering how much water to use in the first place. First, place the eggs in the container that you want to use. Fill the container with water, making sure to cover the eggs. This is the amount of water that you need. Remove the eggs. Then measure the water remaining in the container. In this case, this is 1 liter. I suggest you clean your eggs as well during this procedure. You may wish to use any container so long as it has a cover or a lid. Place the clean and dry eggs inside the container. Make sure your hands are clean and dry too. I use both duck eggs and chicken eggs. Okay, then we pour the liquid over. Use a sieve. Then we use a plastic bag filled with water to immerse the eggs. Then cover and set aside. Remember to rotate the eggs once or twice a week. This means the top one goes down and the bottom one goes up. For a more detailed explanation, please refer to my previous video. I will put the link in the description box. After 30 days, let's check the egg yolks. The eggs are really nice. See, it's really nice. So, that's it. That's very nice. The yolk is round and firm. Okay. Boil a few eggs for 15 minutes. This is the boiled duck egg. Woohoo! Here we are. Nice! Now for the chicken egg. This one is with the golden yolk. The color is deeper. Yeah. So, okay, let's try. It's not very salty, but can be eaten. Chicken egg looks okay because you see the oil is out. So that means it's ready. It's nice, but not very salty. We'll leave it longer. After 35 days. This is after 35 days. Another duck egg. The golden yolk chicken egg. After 40 days. This is the golden chicken egg. The color is so much deeper and richer. These are the 2 duck eggs. The one on the right is not so good. I think the sack could be broken even before we started. These are the 2 golden yolk chicken eggs. They look so lovely and round. Perfect to be used in recipes that call for round egg yolks. Like mooncakes. These are all at 40 days. The color of the yolks are different. How long does it take to salt the eggs? Well, I think it's a personal preference. I recommend between 35 to 40 days. The longer you leave it, the saltier it will get. It is still okay at 45 days. Once you are happy with the saltiness, remove and store in the fridge in an 8 box. It can last for another month or so. I'm serving my salted eggs with nasi lemak, sambal, fried eggs, tempeh and vegetables, and salted egg. Yummy, 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 yummy. Well, you can use salted egg yolks in a lot of dishes, and you can use it to make mooncakes or just to cook it with maybe prawns, chicken, or sometimes squid. And it gives the dishes a very rich and salty and umami taste. Making salted eggs is easy, and I've got several recipes already done up in YouTube. So if you want to find out more about it, click here. I'm Lee, Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to hit like and the subscribe button. See you then. Bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.